Did you set up your Sony TV on its tabletop stands and realize later that you want to wall mount it instead? Well then, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Ricardo from Sony. Let's talk about how to remove the stands from your 2021 or 2022 Sony TV so you can wall mount it. Out of the box, a Sony TV will come without the stands installed. Sometimes this is as simple as pushing the legs into place, and sometimes you need to grab a Phillips screwdriver to secure the legs. There's instructions in the quick setup guide that is included in the box that show you how to install the stands on your TV. We recommend that you always have at least 2 people to help you remove the stands on your TV. This way, the other person can help support the TV while the stands are being disassembled. Follow the instructions from the guide you viewed from the Sony support page. As a best practice, you may want to consider attaching the wall mount brackets to the back of the TV before removing the feet. This way you don't have to worry about laying the TV down flat and potentially damaging the screen. To get started removing the stands from your TV, you simply need to reverse the installation steps found in the quick setup guide. If you aren't familiar with the steps or you misplaced your quick setup guide, you can find a copy of it on the Sony support page. Follow the link in the description to navigate to the Sony support page. Once there, you will need to look up your TV model. Use the search bar to simplify this process. To find your model number, look in the settings in your TV or look at the label on the back of the TV. While on the support page, click on the Manuals and Warranty tab. From here, you will want to select the Help Guide or the Quick Setup Guide. Once you have found your correct guide, it will explain how the legs are attached. For product protection and safety reasons, Sony strongly recommends that installation of your TV be performed by Sony dealers or a licensed contractor. Thanks for watching.